attorney releases paperwork on a disabled veteran pepper sprayed by Muskogee police. He says it refutes claims on social media that the man didn't serve in the military. Channel 8's Ethan Hutchins spoke to the lawyer and has the police body cam video of the incident just released today.
Get him off me! I need an ambulance!
New documents reveal details on the military status of Jason Williams, a disabled veteran pepper sprayed and arrested last month by Muskogee police. A confrontation recorded on newly released body cam footage.
Get off my phone! You don't have the right to use my phone!
Since the incident last month at a Muskogee Walmart, many on social media have questioned the veteran's military status and how he received injuries he says he suffers from. Those documents show Williams is in fact 100% a disabled veteran and was honorably discharged in January of 2008.
I was crushed between two M35 series vehicles in the military during a recovery mission.
Discharged after receiving injuries he says police made worse when they took him to the ground inside Walmart. We interviewed Williams in the hospital last month following his arrest.
I kept screaming to them that I was injured, that's why I was not willing to let them just grab me and throw me around.
Since our discussion, Williams has lawyered up. His lawyer telling us today he believes police have not released all of the video, and he says he will prove Williams was the one assaulted, not the other way around. Ethan Hutchins, Tulsa's Channel 8.
Williams has been charged with 3 misdemeanors and 1 felony. His next court date is set for March 26th.